Hi creatives, it's Claire from Right Accounts, and in this video I want to talk about keeping tabs on your money, particularly if you have it stashed in a few places. Now, I am a legit seasoned money stasher. I have at least 6, maybe 7 banking institutions in Australia, plus some more in the UK, and I have 2 of those actually have probably 10 accounts at least, where you can have kind of 10 individual accounts for zero fees. And I absolutely love the concept of putting money into different buckets for different purposes. Now, I think I learned that stashing habit from my mum when I was young, and people still paid with cash rather than using card for everything. My mum would put money and other important documents in safe places around the house, except the problem was then she forgot where those safe places were. And so much so that one time when we were trying to go on holiday, we had to get new passports on Express because we couldn't find the ones we had. But I find it's much easier now. Things are all done electronically. You can have different accounts. You can actually give those accounts different nicknames for what the purpose of them is. So, for example, in my business, I use a system called Profit First. It's really just a cash allocation system, and I have accounts set up for my taxes, for my superannuation, for my expenses that I know get paid on a regular basis, for my salary. So I split the money that comes into the business into these separate accounts, and it really gives me that visibility of what I am saving up for what purpose. Now, why is this a good tip? Well, the good tip is keeping tabs on it. So if you have one bank account with all the money in it, you need a way to understand what that money has to do. So for example, it's really easy for me to go in each quarter, and actually I've been doing it a little bit more frequently because we're coming up to the end of financial year, to make sure I have enough tax saved to be able to pay my income tax bill. And I can see that really easily because it's in an account called taxes. So I can see exactly what that total is. Now, I'm not suggesting you have to go crazy with bank accounts and banks like I do, but you can just simply do this in a spreadsheet or on a piece of paper. So if you have a single bank account for your business and you are keeping your taxes in your business, then you can actually have kind of a breakdown of what that money needs to do. This will also give you kind of that visibility around what you can spend on expenses, so you don't feel like everything that's coming in is leaving your bank and going back out in expenses. So if you have enjoyed this tip, I would challenge you to find a way to make sure you're keeping tabs on your money so it isn't disappearing, or in my mom's case, reappearing when you weren't expecting it at a later date. So if you've enjoyed the video, always appreciate a like. Have any questions, always feel free to leave me a comment and I will get back to you.